Alright, so welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be making some frozen peach daiquiri. So let's get into this tea. This drink was really good, nice and frozen and strong, honey. So these are my ingredients right here. I used some peach flavored bourbon. I have some peach candy here. I have sliced peaches and peach punch. So I'm just going with the whole theme to carry it on over. In this plate, I got some syrup, just some plain old syrup. And in this plate, I have sugar, as well as the sugar I'm about to show you guys right now. It's called sanding sugar in the teal color because that's what I had. And I used that to decorate my glass. So I have about a third a cup of peaches. I had about a couple pieces of the candy. And I'm just going to throw it all into my blender, blend it up, and I'll show you guys exactly what that looks like. Pour that liquor, child. Pour it. Pour it. Okay, I didn't even measure it. I'm gonna give y'all a measurement down below, but just pour until your head tell you to stop, your brain tell you to stop, then you stop, period. Alright, so this is my frozen glass right here. Like I said earlier, I decorated it with the sugar and the syrup. I just dipped it in there, put it in my freezer. Also, once I pour this up, I'm also going to put it back in the freezer so it could get even harder. So this is what it looks like once I put a couple pieces of candy on there. Once I pulled it out the freezer and added more candy, this is what it looks like. Nice and frozen, pretty, and just a good presentation for any situation you have going on at home. You know, we at home right now. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and this tutorial. I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, you guys.